The Bod Pod is a sophisticated device that accurately assesses a person's body composition.
It tells us what you're made up of, not just a number on the scale.
What percentage of it is actually fat tissue and what percentage of it is actually lean tissue or muscle tissue. When you come to Discover Strength for a Bod Pod test, you'll come in, you'll be greeted, we'll escort you back to the Bod Pod room, you'll change your clothes into your testing attire, a bathing suit for females, biker shorts for a male.
Then they're going to do a height measurement so we can get their height and program it into the computer. And then we're going to also do a weight measurement, a mass measurement, and then they're going to step into the Bod Pod.
You'll be in the Bod Pod for about 30 seconds, just sitting still. You'll hear some whirring and some popping.
When they step into the Bod Pod, that gives us their volume measurement. And then from there, our computer is able to calculate their body fat percentage based on numerous different mathematical equations.
You'll get out of the pod, you'll change back into your street clothes, then you'll sit down with one of our exercise science professionals that can really go into depth and talk about your test results.
We're going to run through all the different components of the Bod Pod test, everything from percent fat to percent fat-free mass. We're also going to run through body volume and body density, the number the computer generated for us.
One of the other great measurements that the Bod Pod gives us is it tells us our resting metabolic rate, which is simply how many calories you burn when you're not working out.
This is a very non-invasive test that is very accurate. Not only does it provide the measurement standard, but it provides accountability aspect.
The beauty of the Bod Pod is it's a fantastic tool for that person who's fanatical about exercise and wants to track that improvement, but it's also a great tool for someone who has never exercised before, who's struggling with overweight or obesity, and they want to measure the progress they're making.
People always want to know what progress I'm making. And the Bod Pod allows us to give us quantifiable numbers and quantifiable progress.
If you're going to measure something, and it's important to measure our progress from exercise, let's measure it with a tool that works, and the Bod Pod is that tool.